Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today we're going to be working on the old Farmall M. Doc's just about to finish it up, but we're going to show you guys today kind of how to replace the coil in a, I believe it's called an F4 International Mag. So, and see if we can't get some spark, and if we can get some sparkulation on this M, out the door she goes today. So that's our goal. So guys, let's get over here and let the Doc walk us through what we got going on with this International Mag, and let's get started. Okay guys, so what we got here is the fact that the mag, when they were working on it before, they crossed some wires and overheated it, and Dan will show them here, Doc, what they did.
So what they did is they had had some wires that went into the on-off switch, had them crossed. By doing that, they sent a whole bunch of
basically what they did was, this here is your coil on these, and they, well, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but we'll bring it up close. You see where it has got so hot that it's melted the stuff that they put on the inside and have destroyed the coil. So, to fix this issue, I happen to have some old new International stock.
Yeah.
So, the Doc's going to show you how to replace that coil in that mag, because for any one of you that might have an old Farmall H or M or W6 or any of them that they used this on, and they use this for quite a few years.
Yeah.
So how to get this done. So the Doc's going to walk you through. If all fails and we don't got everything we need, I do got a parts one out of the building, so that'll help us out there. So you want to move your stuff over, and then we're going to go to work, and I got a set of new points and coil and everything from TSC.
Yeah.
Again, not a bit, I mean, I guess, you know, it'll work. So, but he's going to go to work, and we'll kind of go through how that's done. So the Doc's going to move his stuff over to his workbench, and I'll move you guys over there so you can see what he's up to.
trouble, Bubbles.
What?
They've melted.
What's wrong?
The wire that comes from the mag is melted off.
How hot did he get that thing?
He said it was rolling smoke.
Okay.
So, do we want to put it back up and put parts in this one?
Okay, guys, so the dock got the mag distributor. Got the mag rebuilt. Hand it here, Doc. So, some of you are going to notice that it started out all red, and it's not all red right now. And halfway through the footage, it changed. So, for all of you that's already commented on it before you finish the video, I know you guys are out there. When he got into the point area, it got so when this thing overheated, when they burned it up so bad that they did what in the side there?
They melted the solder that held one of the connector ends on.
So it was useless. So instead of like resoldering it and whatever, we just went ahead and went with the parts one. That's why we had the parts one here, just in case something like that was going to happen. So now it's totally rebuilt. Now comes the fun part.
Yeah.
Putting it on the tractor. So get this timed in and we'll get it put on. And here, maybe before the end of this day,
I gotta put some covers on it.
Yeah, I gotta put a cover on it yet, but maybe before the end of this video's up, the Farmall M shall drive out of the building.
Yeah.
I got faith in you, so.
Yeah.
All right, Doc, you get to your thing and let's do what we gotta do. guys, well, that kind of gives you an idea on how to do that. Unfortunately, it's not going to run today. The dock's over there right now working. We found a fuel issue he's got to take care of before we're going to be able to fix it. But I hope that gives you guys an idea on how to do that. I thank you guys for coming in and watching this video, and we will see you next Wednesday.